If you're a credit repair business owner or aspiring credit repair business owner, this video is for you. I'm going to go over why you should start a school membership, have a monthly membership so you have that recurring revenue. If you don't have recurring revenue in your business model, you do not have a business. So this is why it's super, super important, right? Whether you're just starting or if you're an existing credit repair business owner. I've had my business since 2021. I wish I had a school membership a long time ago, and we're going to get into it. As you can see on the screen, this is CAT Credit University. So what you're going to do to start, you're going to obviously sign up for school. You can get a 14-day trial. You can sign up through the affiliate link I'll put in the description if you want to, or if you're weird about that, you don't want to sign up with my link, you can just go sign up on school as well. So you see, as you go to the About page, this is basically your landing page. So you see right here, I have a video. It's basically just a little quick 5-minute video just going over the as far as what we're doing. I have a video here breaking down the inside of the actual school membership, testimonials as well. So you can customize it however you want. As you can see right here, at the time I'm recording this, you see we have 52 members, 50 members at like $40 a month. So just recurring revenue is only like $2,000 a month. To be transparent, like we can make that actively very, very quickly within our business if you've seen some of my videos and just what we do within our business. But the point of it is not necessarily what you're making on the front end. It's the fact that it's recurring revenue. So it's money you're making without doing anything, right? Let's say, God forbid, if your business just doesn't do anything at all anymore, you still have your monthly membership where you're doing what you need to do. And the reason why I like it too is because of how you could take advantage and maximize it. So you might be looking at it like, okay, 52 members, $39 a month, $2,000 a month. That's not, it's not life-changing money. But we're looking at 50 members. What happens when those 50 members, maybe a couple of them, this is something that's happened, a couple of them convert and upgrade to my 10K program, right? So now their ROI is better. A paying customer is better than a free customer. So people that are in my community at $39 a month, they're more valuable than someone that's just watching me for free here on YouTube or someone that's just watching me for free on IG. So I need y'all to understand and think like a boss when it comes to that concept. Don't get so bent on just a front end. You could technically make your membership $20 a month if you wanted, right? Because you're looking at it like leads. You're creating a community. And if you cater it the correct way, you might not have to be as involved as you think you will, right? We got over 50 members at this point. I don't have time to answer to everybody's specific questions. That's why I've created a community. That's why people are able to interact. So this is like your landing page. As you can see right here, I just said, welcome to CAT Credit University. And I just put like free gifts when you join, and everybody likes free. So I encourage you, you can use ChatGPT to drop something, or just go look at different communities that are successful in what they're doing. So I give them a free 2-hour FCRA masterclass, FDCPA, marketing trainings, because obviously if you're starting a credit repair business or business funding business, you need to be able to get leads. And I give them a builder guide as well to be able to structure people's credit so they can go get that funding. And then I always say over here, October, the price is going to go back up because I'm recording in September. So just to have that sense of urgency, essentially. So you got stuff like leaderboards. So in my community, once you get to level 2, that's when you got to think about, they're making it like a game. So when you get rewarded for performing actions. So our members are able to post 73% at level 1. And then level 3 is 8% of the members. Level 3 is important because you get access to my training on how to get paid to delete collections. This is something I've given to my 10K students, but you got to understand this is a $39 a month situation. So as I'm talking about how I structure mine, I want y'all to just think about how you could structure your own, essentially. And then one thing that's different too, I gave them access to be able to have a one-on-one Zoom call with me if they get to level 7. But as you can see, I'm I'm the owner of the community. I'm at level 5 right now. I'm not even at level 7. So it's going to take a lot of work to get to level 7. So you can set the different levels and what you want to do. So at the time I'm recording, we do offer bi-weekly Q&A sessions. So we're going to actually have one tomorrow, 5 p.m. Pacific time. So they're bi-weekly on Thursdays. And at the time I'm recording, I am the one that's doing it. It could change by the time you enroll, but just to let you know. Classroom, this is where the meat, pause, and everything is at. So you have start here. This is the bulk of the information. You see how to succeed with the community. I have a video here. And then you have quick wins. You have business formation, etc. You just have a lot of good information. You have all this funding information, case study mastery, a bunch of students I've helped, you see? So lots of good stuff here in the classroom. And then I gave them an ebook, 4 Steps to Generate High Quality Leads course. I gave them my DIY recession repair remedy. If you buy this separately, it's like $500. So definitely benefit. Dispute letters, I gave them that as well. Q&A session replays. So as we do them, we post it there. And then this is a level 3 unlock. Like I said, getting paid to delete collections. So once you get to level 3 in the community, you're going to be able to get there. And then as y'all can see, level 7 unlock, you can get a one-on-one call for free with me if you get to level 7. If you just want to get past to the front of the line, it's it'd normally be $2,500, but for the people in the community, I give it to them for just $1,000. So you can hop on a one-on-one call. We could break down next steps on how to take your business to the next level, delete items, litigation, etc. Right? So community, as you can see right here, we have different tabs. I have some pinned posts here. So I say, read this ASAP. And I gave them some information. I'm very action oriented, as y'all know. So that's why I did that. I have a poll here. I was just letting them know that the real value is not just treating it like the gym. So there's so much information. So just learning one new thing a day. So as you can see, we have community discussion. You see people in the community, they're chopping it up with each other. And I'm not necessarily involved in all these conversations, right? Because I created the community for the people and for them to interact, right? So keep that in mind. We have the wins tab. So, you see people's wins posted here and there, deletions and stuff like that. And then one of the tabs I really like is to introduce yourself. So whenever someone joins, I encourage them to go ahead and introduce themselves. And I encourage you to do that as well, because that'll basically allow your community to be like a community. Not everyone's going to do it, but it's a good way to get people to interact, right? So you see those intros that people are doing. And then I have my announcements. So Michael's announcements. I just talk about the free consultation that I added to the group not too long ago. I have extra helpful info over here. So I've added some some cases people could study. And then of course, funding gems. I talk about some funding gems as well. So this is what we've had in our community so far. It's going to continue to grow and elevate. But I just wanted to come on here and drop a video, just like a quick insight, because I definitely think that y'all should start your own community, whether you're thinking about fixing credit for your clients yourself or not. Because think about it. One simple offer you could do, let's say you got 50 members in your community and you're offering maybe half off credit repair. You're going to make a lot of money that way, right? Let's say you get them funding. Let's say you do consultations, right? Let's say myself, let's say you're at the point where you do have a mentorship. You upsell people into your 10K mentorship. So I can't stress the importance of building a community. You need to build a community ASAP. Your action item should literally be to build your community ASAP. And one thing I would say, if I was redoing it, maybe don't put too much information, because we have a lot of for a little bit of some time, but you could start simple. Don't be all the information that we have here. You got to remember, this is I've been in the game for almost 4 years, so I have a wealth of knowledge when it comes to it, but your knowledge could be just as you're learning, as you're going, right? So that could look different from what my community is. And you could probably build your community to be, bigger than mine. So I just wanted to come on here and just drop this. Hopefully this can help somebody out there. Hopefully I can help change somebody's life out there, and, blessings to your community. If you got value from this, let me know. If y'all want me to go over more stuff as far as school, I'll go over that. And I just wanted to kind of document this so that y'all can see where I'm at in the beginning, with just like 50 members. Like I said, it's just like 2,000 a month. To some people, that's, their rent. So that's money that we don't have to necessarily work for. Yeah, we're going to make money within our business. Like if we just go fund someone $50,000, that's already 5,000, so you're going to make more money doing the actual business most likely, but it's still good to have that community because you can make that impact. So with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.